This is a loose hinge. We get a lot of those. The adhesives used on books in the 1960s and earlier are often going to be animal-based glue. It's going to break down. This is PBA, which is a polyester-based adhesive. We go through lots of this. Basically, I slather a nice little plexiglass rod here with glue without dripping it over with too much stuff. And I finesse it down into the areas where the hinge is loose, like that. And I do the same on the back hinge. Go through a lot of paper towels doing this. Slathered down with glue. I'm going to take 2 more of those rods, like this, and fit it into this groove here. Good old Scotch Magic Man tape, non-acid, non-destructive stuff. Tape this into place. Just to be on the safe side. Lay it here. Here. Sheet this out so it's going to be right underneath the clamping force. Masonite board. Top half of the book clamp. Make sure we're all squared and straight looking. And then crank it down. Come back in an hour and I'll show you a nice, solidly repaired hinge. Thanks. And now we're ready to see how it turned out. Rods off, hopefully without taking the labels. Look how much more stable that is. So I'm going to put this end here. Look in here, you see how nice and crisp these are, right here, these grooves here where it's all tied, tacked in. Another repair done. Thanks.